Para sa inyo po ba, tantamount to dismissal na ito kahit pa paano? Para sa inyo?
More or less. More or less. But very clear man doon na returning without dismissing. Ang nakasabi doon sa amendment, di ba?
Pero yung
so,
effect,
hindi dismiss.
pero yung epekto nito?
Parang ganun na rin. Para sa akin, ha? Kasi, they have to get first the House of Representatives should attest that they did not violate the 1-year bar rule. Diba? Meaning, no multiple impeachment complaints can be filed within 1 year. I doubt if they can attest to that. So, tingnan natin kung anong attestation na gagawin nila. Number 2, they should get the
communication from the 20th Congress.
Communication or whatever from the 20th Congress that they are willing to continue the impeachment. So kailan na makukuha yan? Once the 20th Congress is alive and kicking. Right now, there's no 28th Congress.
So para sa inyo, back to zero.
Congress.